Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable infinite scroll in the DuckduckGo application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to disable infinite scroll can be helpful for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it can help conserve data usage and battery life on your device, as continuously loading content can consume resources. Secondly, disabling infinite scroll can make it easier to navigate through content, especially if you prefer to view page one at a time or if you find infinite scrolling to be overwhelming. And finally, it can also help reduce distractions and improve focus by limiting the amount of content present on the screen at once. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open DuckduckGo application. Well, and then here, open any website. Okay, after that, look for this icon and tap on it. Okay, and now turn it off by tapping the button here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable infinite scroll in the DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.